Welcome back to my daily report market videos with me, Richard, market analyst at Hantec on Thursday 13th of June. Looking at euro-dollar, which is showing a little bit of strain actually. We've been noting in recent days how the market has been holding up above 13 big figure. Having broken out above 12.65, that was a key breakout, and then holding above 13 figure added to the positivity around that move. However, yesterday's bearish engulfing candle, interestingly coming underneath, a shade underneath that 1347 resistance, starts to put a little bit less of a positive, well, maybe even a negative spin on this configuration at the moment. But it really does mean that the importance of the 1265 breakout level is elevated. It hasn't yet been broken, so you're not really turning negative yet on the near-term outlook, but that that 1265 level of support is important. It sort of is also a confluence with this old downtrend that, if you zoom out here, you can actually date back to September last year, so an old 9-month downtrend that theoretically becomes a basis of support on the way back. So that's a bit of a confluence at 1265 at the moment, but the market is just consolidating a little bit today, a shade higher on the day at the moment, a handful of pips higher. And you actually look at the momentum indicators, they are still pretty strong, pretty positively configured, but the stochastics, if they start to confirm a bear cross, if the MACD lines start to roll over, that could start to then put pressure certainly on 1265, and then for a deeper correction you've got below 1212, which was the reaction low from last week. And it'll be an important level of support to also watch. But you can see on the hourly chart where we've just lost a bit of the upside impetus, that RSI on the hourly going under 30. That tends not to be the case when the market is in strong recovery mode. So it would suggest that the bulls have just lost some of their impetus now. Also the MACD lines below neutral. So if the MACD lines now begin to struggle underneath neutral on the hourly, and the RSI maybe struggles around 50, then you could suggest that this is turning into a more of a, at least consolidation, perhaps even corrective move. So you've got to be looking out for that 1265 support, and if that gets broken on a closing basis, you really are looking at more of a corrective move developing. Underneath $1.1212 would be negative now. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.